Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So, oh my gosh, I know a lot of you are looking forward to this video, and it is going to be really fantastic to do some of these deals to get a lot of the larger P&G products for very, very cheap. So this is the video. So we are looking to do this as a curbside pickup, meaning you are ordering this stuff through the Walgreens app, driving to the store and picking it up, and that is lovingly known as your curbside pickup. And for the purposes of this video, we are looking for items with that. See, it says earn 15 on a 45. That's what we're looking for specifically. And then if you look at the very bottom, there are two different coupon codes, MAR15 for 15% off of a 35 and MAR20 for 20% off of a $50+ basket. And we are going to utilize both of those. Okay, so as stated, we're doing this curbside and we are stacking the 15 back when you spend 45 and the 9 back when you spend 45. So that is really, really fantastic any way you look at it. You're going to be getting $24 on your transactions, which is really fantastic. Pairing that with digital coupons and other savings, it's the way to go. If your store by chance starts canceling certain items in your basket, you kind of need the entire basket. It's all or nothing, or you're not going to get these boosters. So I would just not pick up the order if they start canceling it. And this is of a one-time use, so choose wisely the deal you wish to do. Now, alternatively, if you're the kind of shopper that likes to be in store, I made a video yesterday going through a couple of deals. Unfortunately, the 15 back when you spend 45 on P&G is online only or for curbside only. But if you want to check out this video, if you're more of an in-store shopper, I will link it at the very end. And if you guys could possibly give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, I would be so, so grateful. And in yesterday's video, I had an item made in Tarrytown, New York. And I have not been to that part of the U.S. in probably 15 years. I do miss it. Guess what? Watertown and Tarrytown is 5 hours apart, and a lot of New Yorkers were saying, hey, you have that completely wrong. So I thought that was kind of funny. So I did look it up, guys, and it is, in fact, quite the drive. But there's a factory that makes a penny medication right now at the Dollar General, and I found some yesterday, and I was just showing that. And shout out to all of my subscribers in New York State. Okay, this first deal, brace yourself. It's pretty amazing. We're going to load our two friends, the 15 back when you spend 45 on P&G products, and the 9 back when you spend 45 on general merchandise. For this deal, we are grabbing one of the Crest 3D White Leave-On Teeth Whitening Treatment, and then the 3D White Easy to Use Teeth Whitening Pen. So it's like a little pen with a brush on it. One's $25.99, one's $24.99. Buy two, get $10 back in Walgreens cash. And both products have a $10 digital coupon, so make sure you load both of them. And just to show you, the two $10 coupons are melting off, and you can use that fancy dancy code MAR15. See where it says enter coupons and promotion codes? That's where you'll type in MAR15, and that should work. Okay, so the overall total for this basket is $50.98. Subtracting that coupon code, it's at now $46.33. So we are still at the $45 threshold. That is very, very important. Free curbside pickup and tax, $20 in digitals melting off. As this is a spend 45 to get back 15 and a spend 45 to get back 9, you have to pay the balance, which is $29.11 with your debit card or credit card, and you're getting back $34. So 10 for the promotion for the product, and then 24 for the other two stacking boosters. It makes it a total freebie. Okay, now we're looking at deal number 2. We are going to load our two best friends, the 15 back when you spend 45 and the 9 back when you spend 45. Again, pick and choose wisely which deal you wish to do. And if they start to cancel things on you, it's going to affect the bottom line of your $45 balance. So I would just cancel it if they start canceling on you. Okay, so for this basket, hopefully they have everything in stock. We're going to be grabbing this guy for $15.99. It's a Tide Pod, and we have a $3 digital attaching to said product, which is really, really nice. And we're also going to grab another Tide Pod for $12.99. So this one's a little bit less. Now, my account on both of them have a lot of Tide Pod coupons. I don't know why, specifically that one product. But load both of them. It's a 3 off of 1, and I have 2 separate ones, and I'll show you that here in a second in the breakdown. And then we're also going to grab 3 of these Olay body washes for 21 buckos, and we have a 5 off 3 digital. Unfortunately, there's no more Walgreens cash for this product. It's just cheap body wash. And we have this guy, so load it. It's a high value coupon. Now, just to show you guys the little breakdown here, $3 coming off, $3 coming off. Using the code WAG10, that was the only one I could get to apply, which was really odd. And then plus the 5 off of 3 for the Olay body washes. Okay, so our total here is $49.98, subtracting $2.30. We are at $47.68, still making that $45 threshold. Free curbside pickup, tax, and $11 melting off. With your debit card, you're going to pay $39.54, and then you're getting back $24 for the $15 spend 45, get back 15, and the 9 back when you spend 45. So $24, not bad. If you're not factoring in your tax, it basically makes each item like, $2 and some change, which is not bad. Okay, so the final deal that we're looking at, again, you need your 2 best friends loaded, the 15 back when you spend 45, and the 9 back when you spend 45. Now, this is going to be a monster basket with very large detergents, including this $15.99 Downy scent booster. We have a $4 digital coupon. This guy, load it right away. And then we're also going to grab one of these Gain... what are they called? Fireworks? I don't know, beads. And yeah, it's called Fireworks. And we have a $4 Fireworks coupon, $15.99 for these Relax Super Flings. So they're the larger ones. And we have this $3 digital coupon. And then the final item that we're grabbing is one of the liquid detergents for $15.99. And we also have a $3 digital coupon to go with this one. So just a very hefty basket, because you're going to see what we're doing here in a second. You can use the code MAR20, and then I had the code SAVE20, and $10 is coming off. So that's why the basket is so hefty. So $4, $3, $3, $4. It is a very large basket, to say the least. So the total here is $63.96. Subtracting that $10 of the coupon code, it's now $53.96. So we're still at that $45 threshold, $3.24 in tax, and $14 in digital coupons melting off. So you're going to pay $43.20 with your debit card, and then you are getting back $24. So not factoring in the tax, we're looking at basically $16 for 4 really nice P&G products, and they're the large side bottles. So if this is a deal you wish to do, I know these out of pockets are a little bit much, but for some of these premier products, it's definitely worth it. So watch yesterday's video if you want to do some in-store deals, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.